Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Here on the daily time frame for Ethereum, we're still tracking the same patterns. First of all, I am tracking primarily the white scenario, which allows for a direct move to the upside. People tell me I should be more bullish about Ethereum. I mean, it is a bullish scenario. I mean, I'm definitely giving it the chance. And as you can see, I'm holding on to the bullish case here. And that puts me at great risk because the analysis, eventually it might break because Ethereum has just been very, very weak over recent years, yeah? And it's constantly being outperformed by Bitcoin. Still, I'm holding on to the bullish case here in white, which indicates that a C wave should take us higher to all-time high territory. We just need a little bit more evidence on the smaller time frame. However, one more low, if the price breaks below the February low, then there is another chance for Ethereum to recover. Then the wave 4 that presumably bottomed around the 5th of August is still unfolding. But I can tell you, if we form one more low and test the $800 level, $1,800 level, yeah, the $1,800 level, the risk is high that it will break and that we're already in a more bearish scenario. Maybe in this case, then the bear market never ended, but I will give it one last chance at $1,800. But I can tell you that probabilities for a bullish upside follow through will reduce should we get another low. And I would not rely on the $1,800 level that it's holding. Really, the white scenario, which is still my preferred one, is getting tested. This is the stress test for the bullish case, and we will get a little bit more information on the smaller time frame. So let's take a look at the smaller time frame for Ethereum. This is the local price range here that we can see from the B wave low in February. We have a rally, a substantial recovery from that low. We had a crash on that day. The price recovered significantly, and we have seen a corrective looking pullback, which means we have overlapping and slow downside momentum. Price action is overlapping, and we have this support being tested. So we have a support area for a pullback between $2,273 and $2,589. Whenever these areas are reached and tested, the price can turn around and has a chance that the correction is complete. So what we can say is that just obviously we have to pay attention to that bearish scenario I just showed you on the daily chart, where a larger wave 4 could still be unfolding. But as long as we're holding above support here on the smaller time frame, above $2,270, we can watch for directly higher prices. And then within this scenario, we can say, okay, we have tested support. We have to consider that the low is in. We're moving directly to new all-time highs, but that would require a little bit more evidence because the structure from the low that formed on Sunday, the 9th of February, is not very impressive. It's not very convincing yet. So I would need to see a break above the green line next at $2,927. That would be needed next as further confirmation. I mean, in the first instance, we have some micro resistances here. Absolutely, $2,760. Now, when you watch the video, maybe it's already broken. Then we've got $2,860, and yeah, the most important one being the $2,927 level. So if we get 5 waves above that level, as highlighted here in orange, 5-wave move is always indicating the trend is up. So that would be the next confirmation that indeed a low is in and that we're moving higher here as per the daily chart towards 5,700 plus. At least this would be the next confirmation for that. At the moment, as long as we stay below resistance, there is still a risk that the market will test the support area again here between $2,273 and probably $2,493. I've added a short-term bearish scenario to the chart, highlighted here in white. So you see the roadmap for prices to go a little bit lower, but that is just something for risk management that you need to be aware of. If the price cannot hold the last swing low here that formed on Thursday, then we might rather see a little bit lower prices in a larger wave 2. At the moment, as per the orange count, maybe wave 2 bottomed, but again, we are still in a range. Probabilities are very balanced, but I can tell you that we're looking for higher prices as long as the 2,270 level is holding. That's the update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in more in-depth content, additional analysis, different markets, not only crypto, interviews are planned, and so on, then check out our main channel, MCO Global. We only launched it last week, and it is a channel where, yeah, I can experiment with different content. It will surely blow up. There will be a lot of exciting stuff on there. And you can find a link for this channel in the description. Yesterday, I made a video about Bitcoin, potential buy indicator. And a few days ago, we talked about altcoin season. Quite interesting right now because the DXY is starting to go down. So if you want to learn more about that, check it out. And overall, yeah, wish you a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.